Dear viewers, I welcome you once again to the Creative Graphics channel. Viewers, I hope you are all well. Your inspiration and friendship are our bond. Audience, before start the main content, I would like to say that this tutorial will hopefully make you feel good and inspire you to do something new. Photo manipulation involves transforming or altering a photograph using various methods and techniques to achieve desired result. Some photo manipulation are considered skillful artwork while others are frowned upon as untechnical practices, especially when used to deceive the public. Depending on the application and intent, some photo manipulation are considered an art form because it involves the creation of unique images and in some instance signature expression of art by photographic artists. Friends, one thing you must keep in mind here is that you must make sure that the images you are mixing together are consistent. Viewers, the portrait shot was taken by my colleague Mr. Pritam in my own studio setup with Nikon D800. Thanks to him once again on behalf of our channel. Viewers, when I have time, I will show you my studio setup in another video. However, dear viewers, to enhance this tutorial, you need a portrait shot with any high definition camera and the help of an experienced photographer. First, you have to cut this portrait image with the help of any selection tool. Although I cut the image before, I will not prolonging the video by showing this image cut again. Then this portrait images is a new file with a width of 1920 pixel and height of 1080 pixel and a resolution of 72 pixel to be pasted into the new documents. Then you have to set the image size and position with the free transform tool. After that, go to Google search and download the remaining 3 images of your choice. Friends, I have already downloaded these 3 images, but I am showing you one more time. Then import this cloudy sea image between the background layer and the portrait layer. Import the other 2 images into this document in the same way and see what procedure I am using to mix these images. Friends, keep an eye on this video, which procedure I am doing this. Only the eraser tool is used here and the background are set exactly that way. If you wish, you can easily download the PDF file from the link given in the description box below. for spending your precious time with us. Hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, you can go to the comment box and write your valuable speech. Your cooperation and blessings are our paths. I bow the elders of my age and express my love and respect to the younger ones. Stay well and stay healthy. See you again in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.